everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arista here, and today I'm here to do a really fun thing. So today I have these cute goodies from Scoobies, and इनकी unboxing मैंने पहले भी एक बार की थी, but उसके बहुत टाइम हो गया. I think 1 साल पहले किया था वो. So today I'm here with their Christmas specials. They have a lot of things in here, so I'm very excited to unbox them. So let's get started.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
First of all, for the people who don't know what Scoobies is, Scoobies एक store है. वहाँ पे you get a lot of stationery, but also cute things like earrings and maybe necklaces, pendants, then clips. So yeah, and Scoobies का store दिल्ली में है. एंड अदर देन दैट आप उनको जाके इंस्टा पे भी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हो, या फिर मैंने इनका साइट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, वहाँ पे जाके भी प्लेस कर सकते हो. बट या स्कूबी से बहुत क्यूट चीज़ें मिलती है. स्टेशनरी इज रियली अमेजिंग. आप मेरी पहली वाली स्कूबीज वाली वीडियो पे जाके देख सकते हो. बट फॉर नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज हियर. मुझे पता नहीं है इसमें क्या है, बिकॉज स्कूबीज आर सेंड देम टू मी. तो पैकेजिंग ऑन पॉइंट. इट्स पिंक जो भी है. So, 1 minute. This is the Bling by Scooby earring. So their earrings is this time Scoobies came out with earrings. So I'm very excited to open them. Let's go. एक मैं आपके साइड ही खोलती हूँ. दिख रहे हैं? I'll just take this one. Oh, so there's cute little studs. So for people who don't like me who don't like wearing big earrings, मैं तो अभी पहने भी नहीं है. मेरे को earrings ज़्यादा बड़े पहनना अच्छा नहीं लगता because they're very uncomfortable. So this is the perfect thing. And इस पे actually days के week के days भी लिखे हुए हैं. So this is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So today is Monday, तो मैं आज ये पहन के जाऊँगी. So these are really cute. This is a heart. This is something. Again, this heart. There's a bow and then again a bow. So they're very cute and yet very stylish. So I really love them. I forgot to show this to you. So this is the cute little note by Scoobies. It comes in the Scoobies ka envelope. And here's the note. And this note is for me. मैं पढ़ूंगी नहीं. It is. I think सबको मिलता है. Scoobies सबको एक note लिखते हैं. So this is for me. इसको मैं बाद में अच्छे से पढ़ूंगी. Let's move on to the next thing. Which is this? This is a snowman soup. This is a snowman soup, and it says a lot of things here. मैं पढ़ूंगी नहीं, so I'll just open it and let's figure it out कि ये है क्या. So you open it from here. Oh, you can actually create a soup and have it. Is this real marshmallow? Let's see. So if this is real marshmallow, oh I think. 1 minute. You can create a soup with this. You can mix this in water, put these and make a soup out of it. Okay, this is really amazing. Scoobies has achieved that also. उनको पता चल गया कि मुझे खाना अच्छा लगता है. So they achieved this also. So you just simply have to mix this with water or milk and then just add marshmallows on top. Yummy. Next thingy. Okay. Let's open this. I think मुझे scissors लानी चाहिए थी ये करने के लिए. Okay, got it. Pencils. Oh no, color pencils. So these are color pencils. So Scoobies is a really great thing. अगर आप किसी को Christmas पे, especially kids, अगर आपको कुछ gift करना है उनको, बच्चों को, like मेरे age के भी, so this is a really cute thing to do. Stationery which is useful also and cute at the same time. This is these are normal pencils but they are just like देखने में colored. Again, very cute. This is for like days of the week. So Monday, Tuesday वैसे. There are 12 pieces. They come in different colors: red, pink, black, yellow, blue, white. There are many different. I'll just remove one and show to you. And it has that eraser thing on the top. So it's this. It's very cute. It says Saturday on it. Okay, so the next thing is this. These are outlining pens, like they are glitter, I think. I suppose they're glitter. They're a set of 6. They have different colors in it also. Pink, green, 2 shades of blue, and then again 2 more shades of pink, and then 1 purple. So they're really cute. You just outline your different like जैसे हमने कुछ लिखा and you just outline that with these. So they look really cute. And इससे I'll probably maybe you sketch something and the sketch को आप इससे outline कर सकते हो. Sketch की थोड़ी थोड़ी details से outline कर सकते हो. So it will look really cute. And again, this is again a very good Christmas gift. So the next thing is something that looks very interesting. I can't. What is this? They're highlighters, but they look like candy. It's super cute. And they are 1, 2, 5 of them. Blue, orange, pink, green and yellow. They're very cute. They're 5-piece highlighters. And then they are safe and healthy for human body and environment. आप इनको खा भी नहीं खा सकते हो इनको. But yeah, if you eat it by mistake, it's safe for kids to use. उस वे में. And they are super cute. मैं एक बार खोल के भी दिखाती हूँ एक. So here is one. And how do you open this? How do you open them? Ooh, highlighter! So here's the highlighter, and then you just simply close this, I think. This is so cute! So you can fool people by also saying that it's candy. It's perfect. So this I already got before in the previous set of Scoobies. They are some pens, and till the date, ये मैंने 1 साल पहले मिले थे, till the date I'm using them. So they are different pens of different colors. Some are like a ball pen है, कोई gel pen है, some are black, some are blue. So they are really cute. मैंने एक दो अपने friends को भी दिए थे, but they are super cute. So this one here, this is a black gel pen. Others are like blue gel pens again. So they are really cute. Like, simply they are very cute. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं and they are very long lasting. So yeah, thank you. अब बड़ा box है मेरे पास छोटा डब्बा. So we'll open the छोटा one before. ये last है. Unfortunately, the surprise ends here. मुझे ऐसे बहुत अच्छा लगता है gifts खोलना. It's a unicorn comb. It's a brush. मेरे पास already है but ऐसे अंदर का ना ऐसे बच्चा एकदम जाग जाता है एकदम से ना ऐसी चीजें देख के. It's super cute. आज तो मैंने बाल भी खोल किए, ऐसे खोलूंगी मैं अपने बाल. एक मिनट, how do you open this? It's like detangling के लिए and it has ऊपर से थोड़ी spiky but it's super cute and it's pink. Okay, so this is the last thing and I'm very excited to open it. फाड़ ही दिया मैंने बिल्कुल. And जो भी है it's in another box. एक और बार पैक किया है. What is it? Drum roll please. Bling by Scooby's house. Scoobies, it says Bling by Scoobies. Let's see what's inside it. जितना curious आप हो, मैं भी उतनी curious हूँ. I also don't know what's inside it. Let's open it up. Okay. Grand reveal. How do you open? Oh, you pull it out. Ooh. It's a case. It's a case.
Pouch.
It's a pouch. It's so cute. It's like a metallic, and it smells. It smells also cute for some reason. And we just open it, and it's pretty spacious. इसमें मैं अपना सारा मेकअप का सामान स्टेशनरी डाल सकती हूँ. मेकअप भी स्टेशनरी भी like whatever you prefer. And it says Scoobies on the front, and it's really cute. It's metallic, pink and blue. Super shiny, and this box is also super cute. इसका भी मैं कुछ ना कुछ use कर सकती हूँ. And yeah, super amazing. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. I really loved them. मुझे सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. My favorite was the candy highlighters. Comment down yours. And if you want to get any of these, you can check out their site. या फिर आप उनका Instagram store भी देख सकते हो, या फिर आप directly जाके उनके store से ले सकते हो. You can check the proper address on their Instagram. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you people liked it, and if you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and comment करके बताओ which one was your favorite thing. And yeah, that's it. And also, आपको मेरे बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं क्या? मैंने आज पहली बार कॉल किया है after cutting my hair. So for me, मेरे को तो अच्छे लग रहे हैं. So मतलब कंगना रनौटा vibes आ रही है. But हाँ, that's it. Bye. Love you all.